Welcome to Sonos, your whole home sound system. Sonos is a system designed to bring seamless, high-quality audio back into your own home. Whether you're a casual music listener or a hardcore movie fan, this series is all about how Sonos can elevate your daily lifestyle. In this episode, we'll introduce you to the Era 100. Coming in at 18cm by 13cm by 12cm, the Era 100 is a compact speaker that doesn't just play music. It creates a space that it fills. Inside, two angled tweeters create a crisp, accurate, high-frequency response and amazing stereo separation. Meanwhile, a large woofer handles the mid-range vocals and punchy bass. It comes in Sonos' iconic black and white. And fun fact, Sonos White does not yellow. Because of its compact size, it is incredibly versatile. Use it by itself as a bookshelf speaker or as a dedicated bedroom speaker. Connecting is simple. You can use Wi-Fi through the Sonos app, press the Bluetooth button on the back for quick pair, or use a line-in adapter for analog inputs. Want to transform your experience? Put two speakers together. You can pair two Era 100s into a stereo pair through the Sonos app. You get to enjoy vastly clearer detail separation. Imagine hearing the rhythm guitar strictly on your left, while the lead vocals are perfectly centered in the room. And you can always add on more speakers to create a multi-room experience. Imagine seamless music playing everywhere, from your bedroom to your kitchen to your living room. It is also incredibly popular for businesses. If you own a cafe and want the exact same vibe playing across the whole floor, Sonos is the way to go. Here's a quick hack. Press and hold the play or pause button to instantly group speakers without even opening your Sonos app. Beyond multi-room music, you can use two Era 100s as your rear surrounds in your own home theater. Hear the action not just in front of you, but also all around you. With the Era 100, the exact same premium sound you hear in store can be brought right back into your home, no matter your aesthetic. Whether you have a minimalist home with bare walls, a cozy Scandinavian space full of textiles, or an art decor room with reflective glass and marbles, those services won't ruin your sound because of Trueplay. Trueplay is a Sonos software that measures how sound reflects off of your walls, surfaces, and furnishings, and fine-tunes your speakers to sound perfect in the exact spot. The Era 100 also features built-in microphones for hands-free voice control. When your hands are tied up making dinner, simply say, "Hey Sonos, skip this track," and control your music effortlessly. But what if you don't want the microphones? Meet the Era 100 SL. SL stands for speechless. It delivers the same amazing sound, just no microphones built in. It's perfect if you want to opt out of the voice control entirely. Just know that if you want to use Trueplay on the SL, you need a compatible iOS device to tune it. That is what Era 100 is all about. If this video helped you understand Sonos a bit more, give this video a like. Let us know in the comments down below if you have any Sonos product that you'd like us to talk about. That's all for now. See you in the next episode.